Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back and checking out Beer Times with Scott. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like and comment on some of the videos that you like, share some with your friends. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can see them first. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. This is going to be a different review for us today. It's going to be of an actual individual beard comb. This beard comb is made by a guy from Hickory, North Carolina. His name is Matt Bell. He's on Instagram. I suggest you follow him very, very much. His name is Matt Bell 484. It's on Instagram. Look him up and you'll find him. You'll know him because he's got a big beard. Probably comes down to his belly. He's a really cool guy. He's an awesome guy, I must say. And he makes phenomenal combs. All the combs he makes are by hand. He hand polishes them. He hand sands them. He does everything himself. I'll tell you in advance, if anybody orders any of his combs, you're going to need a 24-hour notice because he's a small batch company. He does everything himself. And he makes everything one at a time. He showed me pictures of how his hands looked from using the sander and stuff. This man puts a lot of quality and hard time and hard effort into his combs. I suggest you give him a try. His shop is called Bell's Working Shop. It's on the Etsy site. I will put a link in the description below where you can find them. His combs range from anywhere from I think $8 to up to about $20. Now, you might think that's expensive, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now, it is definitely worth the money. The one that I'm going to review today is called the Bloodwood comb. And on his site, it says that Bloodwood is not even being imported anymore in the United States. So all he can get is all he can get. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, if you purchase this comb, you will probably never have to buy another comb again. This is why. Look how freaking thick this thing is. Look at that. This thing is huge, okay? I'm gonna pull up another comb that I've recently gotten. This is a badass beer care comb. This is their Oxhorn. Look at the difference. This thing is super duper thick. You see that? Look at that. That's incredible. See the tines? These things are insanely thick. This kind of looks like I call it a rake. And I don't want to say it to be stupidly. Look how this goes through my beard. No snags, no nothing. And why do you say that is? When Matt hand sands all these one at a time, he seals every single comb with beeswax and mineral oil, and that keeps the quality of the wood and the comb in there for sure. It also puts a protective coating over top of everything so that you don't catch any snags. I've used this comb early in the morning. I'm talking when my beard is going crazy. And when I brush it through or comb it through like this, still no snags. Every single time. This is definitely worth your money. This is a $16 comb. And look how big it is. It's the size of the palm of my hand. This is probably not a pocket comb, but I will say if you put it in your back pocket, it's not going to break. I have had this in my pocket for almost 2 weeks now, and look at it. Nothing. No breaks, no cracks, no nothing. This is, listen here. This is solid wood. This is the comb for anyone to try. He has all different kinds of woods. I know he has an ash one. He has the one, his popular one. I hope I don't butcher this name. It's called the Bacote. And that one I think is $18. And it's bigger than this one. And he sent me this one to do a different review. I know Cannibal Christo and the Jay from Beer Nerd Reviews, I know they have both done a review on the Bacote. And it's freaking insanely huge. This one here, I really like this one. I probably would have liked to try the bigger one just to see how big it really was. I'm satisfied with this one. This is a awesome, awesome comb. Give these a try. If anyone is interested in purchasing, keep in mind, as I said before, Matt will make your comb for you, but it's going to be at least a 24-hour notice so he can actually make the comb himself. So within a 7-day time, I'm sure you'll have your comb sent to you. But for anywhere from $8 to $20, this is an amazing comb. I really, really enjoy this. I highly suggest you all check out his Etsy site. I will put the link in the description below where you can purchase his products. My rating for this comb is a 2 thumbs up and a 5-star Beer Times with Scott rating. This is a comb that I will probably never ever have to replace. I'm not gonna lie, I don't use this every day, but I do use this quite a bit. It's usually I take this to work with me because I lose my combs, and I damn well am not going to lose this one. This is definitely a carrier comb right here. Once again, follow Matt on Instagram at MattBell484, and also I'll put the link in the description below to his Etsy shop on their website where you can find them. Give this guy a try. He's a really cool guy. He puts a lot of heart and soul into his combs. I suggest you give him a try. I'd like to thank you all very much again for watching, and as always, keep on bearding.